Is your money safe? Diving deep into EQ Bank's legitimacy. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that pops up a lot whenever online banking comes up. Is EQ Bank legal? Let's face it, the whole idea of putting your hard-earned cash in a digital bank with no physical branches can feel a bit sketchy. But before you hit that delete button on your EQ Bank app download, let's take a deep dive and see what's really going on. Why the skepticism? Think about it. Traditional banks have those big, imposing buildings on every corner. You walk in, talk to a teller, and poof! Your money's safe and sound. EQ Bank, on the other hand, exists entirely online. There are no handshakes, no friendly faces, just you and your computer screen. It's natural to be cautious. After all, tons of online scams exist, and the idea of someone hacking into your virtual bank account and stealing your savings is a scary one. So, is EQ Bank one of those scams, or is there more to the story? EQ Bank, under the hood. Here's the first thing to know, EQ Bank isn't some fly-by-night operation. It's actually a trade name for Equitable Bank, a federally regulated financial institution in Canada. That means they're overseen by the government and have to follow strict rules to keep your money safe. Think of it like this, EQ Bank is the cool, online storefront, while Equitable Bank is the established brick-and-mortar store in the back. You might not see it directly, but it's there, ensuring everything is legit. The CDIC safety net. But wait, there's more. EQ Bank is also a member of the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, or CDIC for short. This is basically a government-run safety net for your deposits. If, in the extremely unlikely event, EQ Bank were to go belly up, the CDIC would reimburse you for a certain amount of your insured deposits, up to $100,000 per person. Security measures. So, EQ Bank is federally regulated and your money is insured. That should put your mind at ease, right? Well, almost. Security in the digital age is an ongoing battle, and EQ Bank implements a number of measures to keep your money safe. These include things like multi-factor authentication, encryption to scramble your data, and even regular security audits to identify and patch any vulnerabilities. Is EQ Bank right for you? Alright, we've established that EQ Bank is a legitimate financial institution with strong safety measures in place. But is it the right bank for you? That depends on your needs. EQ Bank is a great option if you're looking for a high-interest savings account or a no-fee checking account. However, they don't offer all the bells and whistles of a traditional bank, like safety deposit boxes or in-person services. So, is EQ Bank legal? Absolutely. Is it a good fit for everyone? Not necessarily. But for those who are comfortable with online banking and prioritize high interest rates and low fees, EQ Bank is a safe and secure option. Do your research, compare what different banks offer, and choose the one that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.